Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to grow garlic. Garlic is one of those plants that are very easy to grow. The main thing is you want to make sure you have a very fertile soil and well-drained soil, and all you do is plant and it takes care of itself. So let's get started. Is you want to first of all peel the garlic and break the cloves. And once you break the cloves, what you want to do is select the biggest ones that you have. So we're gonna first of all put some compost, rich compost, on this bed before we plant it. So we're gonna add compost to the bed. Okay, you want to plant them 2 inches deep and 6 inches apart. So we're gonna start planting them right now. So we're gonna dig a hole 2 inches deep like that, and then just put the garlic inside and just cover it. Go to the next one, same thing, deep, and you just cover it 2 inches deep. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna water it. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it with a layer of leaves for insulation, so that in the winter it's gonna be able to protect the garlic from harsh temperatures, and it's gonna germinate a lot faster in the spring. And the leaves are also gonna provide compost nutrients for the garlic to grow better. So just put a layer of leaves. And I chop the leaves with a lawnmower, so that way it breaks it down into little pieces and it's gonna decompose a lot faster. Okay, that's it. That's how you plant garlic, and it takes about 9 months for the garlics to be ready. You can start harvesting the garlic as soon as 6 months and just use them, and just make sure you don't need to water it very often. You just need to stop watering like 2 weeks before you start the final harvest, so that way it's ready to cure. Okay, thanks for watching. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Have a fabulous day.